వెల్కమ్ టు కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కార్నర్. ఏబిపిఎస్సి గ్రూప్ 2 మెయిన్స్కి సంబంధించి అండ్ అందులో ముఖ్యమైన కీలకమైన సబ్జెక్ట్ హిస్టరీలోకి సంబంధించి కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ని అండ్ నేను గత కొద్ది రోజులు ఇస్తూ వస్తున్నాను. అండ్ ఈరోజు కూడా హిస్టరీ, సోషల్ అండ్ కల్చరల్ హిస్టరీ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్కి సంబంధించిన కొన్ని ముఖ్యమైన బిట్స్ని నేను మీకు ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు కొన్ని బిట్స్ మనం చూద్దాం. First question: the first Telugu journal published for the propagation of Christianity was Satyaduta. Who was the first president of the Andhra State Congress? Answer: Nyapati Subbarao. Next, Kanya Sulkam, a work aiming at the popular awareness on social evils, is written by Gurajada Apparao. Next, how many members signed on the Gentleman's Agreement? Answer: 8. Andhra University was shifted from Vijayawada to Visakhapatnam on the recommendation of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's report. Next, the Gabbilam, which aims to sensitize popular feelings against untouchability, was composed by Gurram Joshua. Next, అతనరోళ్ళ ఆత్మకథలు అంతరనోళ్ళ ఆత్మకథలు was written by Endluri Sudhakar. The duration of Y.S. Rajashekar Reddy as a Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh for the first term was May 2004 to May 2009. Next, Prata Parudriyam, a rhetorical work which describes the nature of the Prataparudra character, was composed by Vidyanatha. Next, the Servants of India Society was established by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Ramakrishna Mission 1897 was started by Swami Vivekananda. Education is intended to assist people to become truly religious. Whose idea is this? Answer: Jiddu Krishnamurti. Next question, with reference to Timmamma Marimanu, which of the following statements are correct? Timmamma Marimanu is a huge banyan tree located in Kadiri of Anantapur district, 70 kilometers away from Horsley Hills of Andhra Pradesh. This tree holds a Guinness record in 1989 of being the largest tree in the world. This tree branches extend up to 5 acres and apparently 550 years old అన్నమాట. సో సెలెక్ట్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ద కోడ్ గివెన్ బిలో. వీటిలో ఏది కరెక్ట్ ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. సో ఆ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఏంటంటే మనకు ఏబిసి, ప్రతి ఆప్షన్ కూడా మనకు కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్, హూ డిస్క్రైబ్డ్ సి రాజగోపాలాచారి యాజ్ ద కీపర్ ఆఫ్ మై కన్సైన్స్? ఆన్సర్: Mahatma Gandhi. In which village of Andhra Pradesh lies a 300 years old well, an architecture marvel built by the Gandhi brothers? Answer: Chandrasekharapuram. Congress split into moderates and extremists in the Surat session in 1907. Next question, the Dalit movement in Andhra Pradesh began with the establishment of Jagan Mitra Mandali in 1960 by Bhagyareddy Verma. Who among the following social reformers is credited with being the first person to conduct a widow remarriage in Andhra Pradesh? Answer: Kandukuri Veerasilingam Pantulu. Next, in which year was Andhra state formed? Answer: 1st October 1953. Who is known as the father of modern contemporary art in Andhra Pradesh? Answer: Nandikolla Gopalarao. Next, after suspension of which movement the Swaraj Party was formed? Answer: Non-cooperation movement. Which material Kondapalli toys are made of? Answer: wood. What Chirala is famous for? Textile. Who founded the Krishna Patrika? Answer: Konda Venkatappaya. Next question ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. Burrakatha is a traditional folk dance of which state? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh Public Libraries Act enacted in 1960. Next, in which year Andhra University was established? Answer: 1926. Undavalli Caves is located in Vijayawada. Who was the first Prime Minister from Andhra Pradesh? Answer P.V. Narasimha Rao. The first Rampart Rebellion took place in which of the following years? Answer 1879. Next, Gottipati Brahmaya, a freedom fighter from Andhra Pradesh, was popularly known as the leader of farmers. Next, the Battle of Padmanabham between the Britishers and the kings of Vijayanagaram was fought on 10th July 1794. Which of the following was the capital of Andhra state until 1956? Answer is Kurnool. Who among the following has written Musalamma Marnamu? Answer C.R. Reddy. Next, who among the following presidents of India gave assent to Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Bill? Answer Pranab Mukherjee. Who among the following was the CM of Andhra Pradesh at the time of Jai Andhra movement 1972? Answer P.V. Narasimha Rao. Next question. Which was the first state to be organized on the basis of language? Answer Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Okay. Next question. Who among the first who among the following has served as the short term as the chief minister of Andhra Pradesh? Answer N. Bhaskar Rao. Which of the following statements regarding stupa are correct? So first, they are pre-Buddhist structures. They are built on the relics of Buddha. They are built as the objects of devotion by Buddhist monasteries. They are built to commemorate important events in Buddha's life. Select the quote from the following. Answer all of the above. Second, next question. Amaravati, the designated capital of Andhra Pradesh, was the historical capital of Shatavahana's dynasty. Which of the following pair is or correctly matched? Indian state founders అనమాట. హైదరాబాద్ నిజాం ఉల్ ముల్క్ బెంగాల్ సాదత్ అలీ ఖాన్ తర్వాత అవధ్ Murshid Quli Khan. Only A is the right answer. Next question. Vijnaneswara wrote Mitakeshwara Mitakshara at the court of Chalukya Emperor Vikramaditya VI. It was a commentary on the law book of Yajnavalkya. Next question. Which literary work is of utmost importance for the social and cultural history of Shatavahanas? Answer Gata Saptasati of Hala. Next, Polavaram project was initially envisaged with the name Ramapada Sagar by Sir Sonti Venkata Ramamurthy. Next, which is the biggest canal of Andhra Pradesh that gained commercial importance? Answer Buckingham Canal. Next, who translated into Telugu the Ghanita Sarang Sangraha Sarasangraha of Mahavira Charya? Answer Pavaluri Mallanna. Thank you. Jai Hind.